I've recently kicked off my online t-shirt sales venture, aiming to make roughly $3,100 in the first month, which translates to about $100 per day. The beauty of this is that I'm doing it all from the comfort of my home with minimal effort because I've set up systems to handle the heavy lifting. I'm here to guide you through my plan and how you can replicate it for yourself. If you've been following my channel, you know that building this t-shirt business has been a step-by-step process. In earlier videos, available on my channel's print-on-demand playlist and in the links below, we tackled tasks like crafting the brand name, conceptualizing the business, and establishing an online presence. But in this video, it's time to put our plans into action and start generating income. I'll walk you through my step-by-step strategy. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. We initiated our Etsy business using the print-on-demand approach, which essentially entails designing t-shirts and leaving the rest to another company, Printify. Printify handles the manufacturing and shipping of the t-shirts to customers. In previous videos in this series, we've demonstrated how to set up our Printify account and link it to our Etsy shop. Signing up for a Printify account is cost-free. Just make sure to use the link provided in the video's description or pinned comment. Currently, we have some initial t-shirt designs on Printify, and this is how they appear on the front end of our Etsy shop. However, my research has revealed that on Etsy, t-shirts centered around specific themes are the most successful. People typically come to Etsy seeking t-shirts or clothing related to a particular theme rather than general clothing items. For instance, holiday-themed t-shirts such as those for Christmas, Halloween are highly sought after, and they tend to perform exceptionally well on Etsy. This is because during holidays like Halloween, many individuals are in search of t-shirts that fit the theme. The same trend applies to other major holidays and themed t-shirts like those for teachers going back to school, Mother's Day, items related to moms, Father's Day, items related to dads, and humorous t-shirts. These themed t-shirts are particularly popular on Etsy. I'm sharing this information because we need to create additional t-shirt designs focused on upcoming holidays and other themes to expand the range of options in our Etsy shop. In a previous video, I covered how to create t-shirt designs, so I won't go into that in this video. You can check out the earlier videos in the series to learn how to design. Now that we have new designs in our Etsy shop, it's time to establish systems that will boost sales and generate income. The first step in increasing sales is to make our Etsy shop feel more complete. Adding an announcement at the top of your shop is a common practice among successful Etsy shops. It could be about upcoming sales, promotions, or simply a welcoming message. This announcement gives potential customers the impression that your shop is active and operational. For our shop, I'll add a message like, "Welcome to our shop. As a special thank you for visiting our shop today, we are offering a huge seasonal sale on all t-shirts right now," and a few additional details. Another crucial addition to your shop is product categories. Successful Etsy shops often have a sidebar with different product categories. This not only makes your shop feel more complete, but also facilitates better navigation for customers, potentially leading to more sales. For instance, if a customer comes looking for Halloween t-shirts, having a Halloween category on the side makes it easy for them to find and buy more Halloween-themed t-shirts. Adding categories is just the first step. You also need to assign your products to these categories. For example, if you have a Mother's Day or mom-related t-shirt, you can set it up in the mom t-shirt section. This categorization will show up on the front end of your Etsy shop, enhancing the overall shopping experience. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. The next step in our Etsy business strategy is to establish ongoing sales promotion. Successful Etsy shops consistently feature these persistent sales regardless of the time of the year. It's important to note that these sales are not genuine discounts. They are essentially marketing tactics. Why use these fake sales, you might wonder? The answer is that consumers are often driven by the prospect of discounts. This principle is evident in events like Black Friday and Amazon's Prime Day, which significantly boosts profits. We plan to employ a similar strategy in our Etsy shop. From the back end of our shop, we will access the marketing section and set up new special offers. Here, we can determine the discount percentage for our t-shirts. As an example, they will appear at approximately $11.20. However, the key is that you're not actually selling your t-shirts at a reduced price. Instead, you're incorporating the discount into the product's base price. Let's say you originally wanted to sell your t-shirts for $15 each. By creating a 30% sale, the price would drop to $10.50. To maintain the $15 selling price without the 30% discount, you would adjust the base t-shirt price to roughly $22. Thus, when the 30% sale is applied, the final sale price matches your intended selling price of $15. This approach is a savvy marketing strategy because customers are motivated by sales. When customers feel they're getting a deal, they're more likely to make a purchase. We will implement this strategy for all our products in the Etsy shop, adjusting the initial price to maintain our desired selling price even after applying discounts. Now that we've implemented various strategies in our Etsy shop to increase sales, there's one more tactic to expedite business growth: utilizing Etsy's paid advertising feature. You might be hesitant to spend money on ads, but it's not mandatory to have a successful Etsy shop. Many shops make substantial profits without investing in ads, relying on organic traffic. However, for our specific case, we aim to grow our Etsy shop rapidly, so we will allocate a budget for ads to increase our visibility. We'll discuss how to effectively run ads that convert customers into sales shortly, but first, let's cover the setup process. In the back end of your Etsy shop, click on Marketing and then Get Started. Here, you can define your ad budget. I recommend starting with the smallest possible amount, which is $1 in this case, to ensure the ads are effective. If they prove successful and generate sales, you can gradually increase your daily ad budget. It's important not to invest a significant amount in ads that don't result in sales. Once Etsy ads are activated, a new section will appear where you can see the listings currently being promoted. You can enable or disable ads for each listing. I strongly advise against enabling ads for all listings. It's essential to promote only those listings relevant to the current season. For example, if you sell Halloween-themed t-shirts but it's December, people won't be searching for Halloween t-shirts during the Christmas season. Ensure that your promoted listings align with the current season to avoid wasting your budget. If your t-shirts have broad relevance regardless of the season, you can consider running ads year-round, but only if your listings are converting, ensuring that the money spent on ads results in profit. With everything in place, our shop is ready to start generating sales. This process becomes passive once it's set up. When someone makes a purchase in our Etsy shop, the order will automatically be forwarded to Printify, which will take care of manufacturing and shipping the t-shirt to the customer. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!